we are fortunate because several of the participants, filmmakers, and actors are all based here in the Bay Area. And it's an interesting part of the story of the Tibetan community, because they have not only settled here in the Bay Area, but they've really dug down deep and set some roots. There is an organization called the Tibetan Association of Northern California. Many of you may know of it. They have a community center in El Cerrito, and they run classes there. They have a summer camp. They're really looking after the community, and particularly the children of the rather large population here of Tibetan, we'll call them exiles. I don't know if that word is the right one today, but they certainly are Tibetan Americans who are making a home here in the Bay Area. And because of that, we're very fortunate to have with us one of the stars of this film, my son Tenzin, and he's going to perform a little bit for us. His name is Tsering Bawa, and he is a musician, a theater performer, an actor, and he's a teacher. He spends a lot of his time teaching young people classical, traditional Tibetan music and performing arts technique, and it's really something special to have as a resource here in the Bay Area. Before he goes on, I want to mention that we will do a Q&A after the screening, and I hope you can stay for that, even though it's a beautiful day. If you have any particular questions about the music and the Sekar films that produce this, he will be much better able to respond to them than me. So I want to welcome to the stage, we're very fortunate to have him, Tsering Bawa, to perform introducing the film, My Son Tenzin.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tashi Dalek. Such nice to see you again. Some of the faces are familiar to me, and thanks to Tano, who introduced it so briefly, which I didn't deserve it. But I'm feel honored to be present some piece in front of beautiful audience here. So I'm being a more part of the Marine, because 2 years ago I did a big show called The Oldest Boy in Mill Valley. I was doing the Oldest Boy probably, so I hope some of you might see me. So I would like to play one flute piece, but I want to involve you all with me. We can use universal word, Om. Everyone know Om, right? So just feel yourself whatever you want for the day, or for the next. So just keep Om. Long as possible with your breath, and do it again. Just recite what as you want till I end my flute piece, so we can journey together. Wing and the voice. That's what I call wing and the voice. Keep doing that.
What's your name?
My name is Ramblin' Jack. I'm a soloist. Like Captain Joshua Slocum was the first person to sail around the world in a sailboat alone in 1895. So I'm kind of an old timer.
Great. Thank you so much for coming for my show today.
Love travel.
Yeah, thank you. How was my music and how was my movie?
So your movie was great. The movie was beautiful. I was right with you all the way.
How was my music sound for you?
Your music was beautiful.
So you're still doing your music this day?
Yeah, not the same way. I'm going through some change.